Hello and welcome back, my lovely people. Welcome back to Sarah App TV. In today's video I'm going to explain and show you how I created this pastel gradient hair dye on my buzz cut. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe my channel and leave me a like for this beautiful buzz cut hair dye. So get inspired and let's start. So, before you start with the colors, you need to bleach your hair white. If your hair isn't white or bright enough, pastel colors won't work. If you need a video of how I bleach my natural dark brown hair almost white, let me know in the comments down below. These are the colors we are going to use today. It's plum, pink flamingo and Atlantic blue, all by La Riche Direction. I mean directions, the only color I trust, honestly. For pastel tones on your hair, you need conditioner. More conditioner than the actual color. That's why I like to buy the dark tones and brighten them up the way I want, instead of buying the pastel tones. Saves you a lot of money, you can trust me with that. And as you can see, I'm using only a tiny little bitty mini amount of the Atlantic blue and mix it into the conditioner. And here we have my blue tone for today. You can mix it the way you want. Then I place it on the right side of my head in an asymmetrical direction, like you see in the video. After I finish the blue part, I go on with the plum. And again, I'm using a tiny bit amount and add this to the blue we mixed before. And add a little bit more conditioner to it. I place the pastel purple hair dye right next to the blue, like I show you in the moving picture. Then I already tried to mix the blue into the purple or the purple into the blue hair dye. But more about that I'm going to explain you later. After the plum, it's time for the pink flamingo hair dye. I added some new conditioner in the same cup like before and add a little bit pink flamingo hair dye. And I place it next to the pastel purple part like before. I mean, I don't need to explain it to you. I mean, you can see it. I'm showing you it. I'm showing you how. But I noticed that the pink was way too bright, so I made a new mix only out of conditioner and pink and plum. Don't forget the plum. But this time I made the pink more intense. You see? And put it over the first pink layer I painted before to create a nice gradient look. Yeah. Then I made a new mix out of conditioner, Atlantic Blue and Plum to place it right in between the two tones I already have on my hair. Try to hit the tone right in between while you mix it. Maybe you need a second cup for it. And brush it in. And mix the two colors right on your hair. And this is how it looks like after I put on all the colors, and I'm going to leave that in for 30 minutes and I'm going to wash it off afterwards. Yeah. 30 minutes later, and here is the result of my pastel gradient hair dye on my buzz cut. What do you think? Did I do a great job? I mean, I'm loving it. I'm totally loving it. I messed up my shirt, but my hair looks nice. But wait, I need a perfect makeup to this hairstyle, don't you think? Let's do a little bit makeup. It's time for a quick makeup tutorial. I mean, since I'm wearing short hairstyles, I noticed this gives me the chance to go more dramatic with my makeup. Because of the short hair, it puts a lot of attention to your face, and if your face is in focus, emphasize it with experimental makeup. I like it to do that way. And that's why I choose to put the attention to my brown eyes by using a blue eyeshadow and a little more intense brows. Of course, a very dramatic winged eyeliner. I like to use an angled brush for my eyeliner because of my semi-hooded eyes. For me, it's easier to be more accurate with my eyeliner. You see? Ding ding ding. Easy peasy. Only for the kitty cat eyes. Yes. And some mascara on my not existing eyelashes. Highlighter in the corner of my eyes, on my cheekbones, on my upper lip, chin, and nose bridge, and down my eyebrows. For my lips, I choose the brown lip pencil and mix it with another nude natural tone lip pencil. And filled my lips with it. Adding some gloss, eyelashes, and of course, the most important, my favorite, drum roll, earrings. Yeah, you guys, I love them so much. Only $10, I swear I love them. Here we are. Oh, and I also added some dots. I love those dots. And as you see, I'm ready for the most casual and basic look in the world. Just kidding. This is a complete look and my hair dye job. What do you guys think? Please let me know down in the comments below. And who else would rock this look? Don't let me be alone with that style, okay? Anyways, the vid is over now. I thank you guys so much for watching till the end. I hope I could give you a lot of inspiration for your own hairstyle and makeup. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and leave me a like. See you next week. Bye bye. I'm out.